This is a meditation of breathscape, bodyscape, and soundscape. Sat underneath an oak tree in a quiet, secluded area. So make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes or open your eyes, it's up to you. And then just focus on the breath. The rise and the fall of the breath. Through the nose. And out through the mouth. The breathscape, just focusing on nothing but the breath. The rise and the fall of the body with the breath. The whole body breath. Feeling the movement of all of the parts of the body with the breath. And then we move on to the bodyscape. Just scanning the body from the feet to the head, starting at our feet, just noticing how that feels. Perhaps a sensation of whatever is on your feet, or whatever your feet are resting on. Wherever the pressure might be. Then up into the calf muscles. Thigh muscles. And if you're noticing any tension, just breathe in through your nose, into that tension, and then take it out through the mouth. And then moving upwards to the buttocks, to the pelvis, to the belly. And just noticing what's going on in the belly. Any tension, as we did before, bring it in through the nose, into the belly, and then out through the mouth. And then up to the chest. Just noticing the rise and the fall of the chest with the breath. The neck, shoulder area, arms, hands, and just noticing your hands, wherever they're resting on. Is it warm? Is it cold? Is it dry? Is it clammy? Maybe the texture of whatever your hands are resting on. Continuing through the jaw, cheeks, the nose, forehead, temples, crown of head. And now we've scanned that bodyscape. We imagine a wave of relaxation starting at the crown of the head, extending its way like a ripple through the body all the way down to the feet, into the earth. And try again, a wave of relaxation from the head down to the feet. And now we've done the breathscape and the bodyscape. We turn towards the soundscape. The most immediate sound, perhaps, nearest your ears. And as you notice that sound, don't label it. Just be curious about it. If it's the first time you've heard it, just noticing it. And then a little further. Perhaps listening to the wind underneath this oak tree, moving its way through the branches and the leaves. Perhaps you can hear some leaves falling as it's now autumn. They're beginning to fall from the tree. And then further out again. And again. And just pausing to listen to this soundscape on an autumn afternoon with the sun shining through this old oak tree, hundreds of years old, shedding its leaves, with the wind blowing through it. Now prepare yourself to return from this meditation, perhaps by wiggling your toes, looking at your fingers, moving your head, and when you feel ready, opening your eyes. safe in the knowledge that you too can take a breath, body and soundscape anywhere with you at any time for a quick meditation.